Hi friends, I'm Lily, and today we're going on a magical adventure to learn English, all about food and snacks. Are you ready to meet talking fruits? Visit an Enchanted Snack Café and play a fun word game. We'll discover delicious treats and learn how to talk about them in English. Hold on tight, because this adventure will be full of tasty surprises and magical moments. Let's go! Wow, look at all these talking fruits. Hello, everyone.
Hi, Lily. Welcome to the Talking Fruit Orchard. We're here to help you learn the names of some delicious fruits in English.
That sounds like so much fun. Let's start with you, Mr. Apple.
Sure thing. I'm an apple. A PPLE. Apple.
Everyone, can you say apple with me? A PPLE, apple.
Apple.
And I'm a banana. BANANA. Banana.
Banana, can you say banana with me? BANANA, banana.
Banana.
Don't forget about me. I'm an orange. ORANG. Orange.
Orange, let's all say it together. ORNGE, orange.
Orange.
Great job, everyone. Now, let's move on to our next magical location. Look at this cute calf. I wonder what yummy snacks they have here.
Welcome to the Enchanted Snack Café, Lily. Today, we have cookies, sandwiches, and juice. Let's learn their names in English.
I love cookies. COOKIES. Cookies.
Can everyone say cookies with Lily? COOKIES. Cookies.
Cookies.
Next, we have sandwiches. SANDWICHES. Sandwiches.
Let's say it together. SANDWICHES. Sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
And finally, we have juice. JUICE. Juice.
Everyone, can you say juice? JUICE. Juice.
Juice.
Fantastic! We've learned so much today. Now, it's time for a fun game. Alright, friends, I'm going to show you some pictures, and you have to say the English word. Ready? Here we go. What's this?
Apple.
And this?
Sandwich.
Great! What about this one?
Juice.
You all did amazing. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for joining me on this magical English adventure. Remember, learning English can be fun and delicious. Keep practicing. Before saying goodbye, we have to recap what we have learned today. Hi again, friends. Wow, we had so much fun learning about food and snacks. Let's do a quick recap and see how we can use these new words in our daily conversations. First, we visited the Talking Fruit Orchard and met our fruity friends. Do you remember them?
Hi again. I'm an apple. You can use apple when you're talking about healthy snacks. For example, you can say, I love eating an apple every day.
Great example, Mr. Apple. Everyone, let's practice. Say, I love eating an apple every day.
I love eating an apple every day.
And I'm a banana. When you're packing lunch, you can say, I put a banana in my lunchbox.
Let's try it together. Say, I put a banana in my lunchbox.
I put a banana in my lunchbox.
Don't forget me. I'm an orange. After playing outside, you might say, I want to drink some orange juice.
Perfect. Everyone, let's say, I want to drink some orange juice.
I want to drink some orange juice.
Next, we went to the Enchanted Snack Café and learned about snacks. Let's see what we remember. Cookies are great for a sweet treat. You can say, I baked some cookies today.
I baked some cookies today.
Sandwiches are perfect for lunch. You might say, I made a sandwich for lunch.
I made a sandwich for lunch.
And juice is refreshing. You can say, I like to drink juice with breakfast.
I like to drink juice with breakfast.
Let's put it all together in a conversation. Imagine you're talking to a friend about your day. Here's how you can use our new words.
Hi, what did you have for lunch today?
Hi, I had a sandwich and an apple for lunch. Then I drank some juice. Later, I baked some cookies for a snack.
Wow, that sounds delicious. I put a banana in my lunchbox today and drank orange juice after playing outside.
Great job! See how easy it is to use these words in everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on this magical English adventure. Remember to practice using these words at home, school, or with friends. Learning English can be fun and tasty. Keep exploring, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.